Today, as per the plan, we'll start with tokens. Okay. So the tokens are nothing but alphabets or characters, whatever we used, right? In the Java. Fine. So how we can learn the tokens are the important. So generally, what are the first we'll see is the definition for the token. Token is nothing but character set used in Java. What is token? A token is a character, or a tokens are the character set used in Java. We can say tokens are the character set. Character set means set of characters, set of multiple characters. Character is nothing but a symbol, nothing but a symbol. That symbols, what and all the symbols we use in a particular language, we can say character set or a character. So those all characters are called tokens. It's the same thing in our other language as well. Character set used in Telugu will become Achulu. Character set used in English will become alphabet. Same thing on nothing else. So character set used in Java is nothing but tokens, right? Okay. So how we classify them? We classify the character set here like this. First thing is alphabets. Alphabets, I told you again. So I told you already alphabets means what? So alphabet in the sense, here alphabets are, I told you we are actually talking about tokens. Inside tokens, I told you first, category is alphabets. Listen carefully here. Generally, alphabets are English things only. English characters, we can call it as alphabets, right? So I'm telling you here as well. To category, we classified into so many categories in the tokens especially. So what is the first token? First characteristics of a token here is alphabets. You're getting, you are getting or not? That means in Java there are alphabets as well. That is the meaning here. In Java we use English alphabets as well as a characters. What is the meaning of this? We use ABCDs, A to Z and all in Java. So that is the one category. Okay, you are getting it or not? That is A to Z and capital A to Z. Okay. So in Java we have alphabets as well. That's where you see all alphabets we use, like public class and all. PUBLIC. PUBLIC is English, na? That English characters also used in Java. That's what I'm saying here. Okay, they are English characters only, but how come it came in Java? Java is a different language, right? If Java is a different language, how come the alphabets came into the picture? Because in Java tokens, alphabets also there. You're getting everything, all the things, whatever is there here are used in the Java. That's what I'm saying here. Okay. So second category is numbers. You are getting it or not? That is 0 to 9. Only numbers are 0 to 9 only. Okay. Numbers are 0 to 9. So in tokens of Java, I'm saying here, how many tokens are there? For example, if I take English, A to Z only. There is no other than anything in H, other than that. Correct? But in Java, we have A to Z, we have numbers, we have that, we have this. All the things where here we are actually considering. Okay. So numbers are used. Next thing, arithmetic operators. So, what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are something like the operations, arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, divisions, and multiplication. These four operations are called as arithmetic operations. And these operations, whenever you wanted to represent these operations, always use some operators. That operator is called arithmetic operator. So, what are they? They are plus, minus, multiplication is star. We don't have into, actually we have star. In computer language, if you wanted to represent multiplication, the operator is star, which is asterisk. We call it as asterisk. Asterisk means what? Star. Normal terms we say star, right? That one. We can't say x, this x, right? What is this? This is not into. Yeah. This is not into. This is only into. Asterisk is the into, and then division. Division is not a divided by is not there in Java. In Java, divided by is slash only there. You're getting it or not? Slash is division symbol. Next, there is one more thing which is percentage. This is also arithmetic operator. So all these things are arithmetic operators. I'm again and again I'm telling you, don't consider you know already. Concentrate and learn each and every minute point. If you consider you know already, you will mistake. That's it. You will forget the percentage because you think that addition subtraction I know already. So only 4 will be there. Arithmetic operators are 5 actually. How many? 5. What are the last thing? Percentage. You will forget definitely. I'm telling you. If you think that you know already, you will forget. If you don't think, if you won't think like I'm know already, I'm learned like carefully, then you will won't forget because plus minus asterisk divided by that means slash and then percentage. These are things are called arithmetic operators. Okay. Fourth one is relational operators. Relational operators are greater than, less than. Okay. Less than, greater than, or equal to. Greater than or equal to is like this. Greater than or equal to is there. You know. So that greater than or equal to generally in other normal terms there will be greater than and there is a small dash down to that, right? That is considered as greater than or equal. But in computer there is no like that symbol. That kind of symbol is not there. So we consider as greater than side next to the greater than we put equal to. That is considered as greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And not equal to is this one, exclamatory and equal to. Exclamatory and equal to is considered as not equal to. Okay. And equal to is double equal to. If you wanted to compare a equal to b, you have to use double equal to. That's what is important thing what you need to understand. So the relational operators are like this. And fifth thing is logical operators. What is that? Logical operators. So logical operators, ampersand, pipe symbols. There are two pipe symbols. That's it. Okay. Logical operators are two, which is two ampersands, two pipes, two ampersands. This is called ampersand. This is ampersand is called and actually logical and. దీన్ని ఏమంటారు అంటే లాజికల్ ఆర్ అంటారు. దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? దీన్ని లాజికల్ ఆర్ అంటారు. దీన్ని ఆర్ అంటారు, దాన్ని అండ్ అంటారు. అండ్ అని చెప్పాలంటే యాంపర్సండ్ రెండు పెట్టాలి. ఆర్ చెప్పాలంటే రెండు ఆర్లు పెట్టాలి, రెండు పైప్ సింబల్ పెట్టాలి. పైప్ దాన్ని పైప్ సింబల్ అంటారు ఇట్లా. ఓకే. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ టెరినరీ ఆపరేటర్. ఓకే. Ternary operator is something like this. I'm telling you again, don't try to understand what it is. While you are learning ABCD, did you know what is A? Did you know what is A? While you're learning you know what is A. Don't understand what is A, right? You have to just grasp it. That's it. What is a character? By heart it. That's it. While you are learning ABCD only, don't understand what is A, where it is coming from and all. So not required. Generally, how you learn the language, like that only you consider here. Getting? Fine. So this is called ternary operator. Question mark and colon is called ternary operator. Okay. Next thing, separator. What is that? Separators. Separators are something like comma and these brackets. These brackets. All these will come as separator. Okay, they are called separators. Okay. Next thing is terminator. What is that? Terminators. So terminators are semicolon. Only semicolon will have the terminator. Okay. And then there are so many. There are so many like this. We will say some special characters. Special characters. We will put some special characters to, and don't consider only this much. There are so many like this. For now, as of now, I'm stopping here. Like this, there are so many characters are there. Later point of time, whenever comes, you have to learn it. But for now, I'm stopping here with this. What and all special characters are there? Dot is there. Dot is a, we can call it as period. What is that called? Period. Dot is called as period. and there are colons, okay, colon, okay, underscores, hyphen is not there. Underscore is there. Underscore means shift and hyphen. Shift and hyphen. This is underscore. This is hyphen. This is not there. Okay, that is there. Underscore. This is called what? Underscore. I don't know. Underscore. Okay, like that. Whatever, maybe, etc. So these are the characters. All are characters only. All are symbols only, right? Which is used in Java. These all the characters are used in Java, and this is considered as tokens. That's it. So tokens are all is. I cannot say A B C D E F G 1 2 3 4 like that. So I classified into different categories, and we are learning. Alphabets are there. Alphabets A to Z and A to Z. Both I told you why. Both are different characters in Java. Capital A is not equal to small a. Capital A is capital A only. Small a is small a only. You cannot consider A is A. I already given capital A. Then why should you small a? No. Small a is small a only. Capital A is capital A only. Small b is small b only. Capital B is small capital A. Capital and small are both are different set of characters. That's what I told you. A to Z and capital A to Z. And then numbers A 0 to 9 only. There is no other number other than 9, right? 0 to 9 only. Numbers. Maybe 10, 20 and all come, but all our numbers are 0, 9 only. Na? Combination of all that. Then arithmetic operators plus minus star slash percentage, right? Relational operators less than, less than or equal to, greater than. How can consider less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, equal to? There is one more not equal to also there. This is also not equal to. This is also there. Okay, this is also not equal to. Not equal to. Okay. This is less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Both are not equal to, and one equal to. Equal to means not single. And there are so many, I told you, na, I'll remembering something like uh, unary operators. Plus, plus, minus, minus. These things also will come, okay? Plus equal to, plus minus plus equal to minus equal to. దీన్నే యూనరీ అని ఎందుకు అంటారంటే బైనరీకి యూనరీకి తేడా ఏంటంటే ఒక ఆపరెండే యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అది మళ్ళీ తర్వాత చెప్తాను నేను. ఆపరేషన్లో ఒక ఆపరెండే ఉంటే దాన్ని యూనరీ అంటారు. రెండు ఆపరెంట్స్ ఉంటే బైనరీ అంటారు. బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్ అంటారు. బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ దట్ ఆపరేషన్ 2 operands are participated. Unary means only one operator is participated. So based on that, so many things will come. Anyway, leave it for now. Yeah, that's it. So this is what is tokens. Okay, these tokens are very important. Don't do any mistake in this. I will ask you what are the arithmetic operators. You have to tell. I will ask you what are the logical operators. You have to tell like that. You should not forget any of these operators and the what category it is belongs to. That's very important to understand. Okay, so this is what today's topic. I'm stopping here. Tomorrow onwards we'll continue about all other things like keywords and all these things. Okay, this is ternary operator. I told you ternary means more than one operator in participated in that operation. Unary means only one operator, one operand. Binary means more than, that means 2 operands. Ternary means more than 2 operands. That's what is called ternary operation. Okay, more than 2 operators, like that. Binary means only 2 operands. In that operation, only 2 operands will be there. More than cannot be there. Should not be there. If that is more than 2, then it will be ternary, not binary. Binary means it is 2 operands. That's it. That's what it is meaning itself telling. Binary means 2. Bi means 2. Uni means 1. Ternary means many. Generally 3, but it can be many. Like that. The name itself telling, then why you are asking again more than 2. Binary means 2. That's it. Bi means 2. In that operation, only 2 operands will be there. Finish. Okay. So I and all logical operators, all arithmetic operators, generally the operations are binary operations only. That means if you wanted to add anything, you should have at least 2. And The operation will happen only between two operands. It cannot happen more than two. That's what we should understand. Binary operations and all will have binary operators. Anyway, leave it. That's all different story.